Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start in portrait mode with the camera app open. This is essential because portrait uses depth data for bokeh. First, tap the 1x or 0.5 button to switch lenses, or pinch the live view to zoom gradually. This adjusts field of view while preserving depth. Once done, turn on grid to keep horizons straight and use a light tap to lock AE/AF so exposure and focus remain steady while you compose. These steps prepare the phone for a clean zoomed portrait. Now refine how you zoom and compose. You should prefer the 1x or 0.5 lenses because they capture depth data and higher quality. Digital zoom degrades the image. If you must zoom, pinch slowly and stop before 2x to keep sharpness. Make micro adjustments while watching the subject's eyes. Also, move physically closer instead of overzooming when you can. That preserves perspective and background separation. Make sure to check the frame edges and background blur as you change distance. Finish by confirming focus and exposure. Tap the subject's face to activate face detection and lock sharpness. Take the shot, then open the photo and use portrait lighting or depth slider to tweak background blur and strength. This explains why you shot in portrait mode in the first place. If the image is soft, make sure your hands are steady or use a small tripod. If exposure drifts, tap to reset AE/AF and retake. These final checks secure a crisp, properly blurred portrait.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.